Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to dive into a product that's perfect for anyone looking to preserve and protect important documents and memories. We found the Fellows Halo 125 Laminator with a pouch starter kit, and we've included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The Fellows Halo 125 is a compact and user-friendly laminator designed for personal use in your home or home office. It's perfect for anyone who needs to laminate documents, photos, or crafts without the hassle of complicated setups. Measuring at 4.3 inches by 17.1 inches by 2.9 inches, it's small enough to fit neatly on your desk or in a drawer when not in use. One of the standout features of the Halo 125 is its rapid 1-minute warm-up time, thanks to its innovative InstaHeat technology. This means you won't have to wait around for long periods before you can start laminating. Simply plug it in, and you'll be ready to go in no time. The Halo 125 is versatile as well, accommodating both hot lamination pouches of 3mm or 5mm thickness and cold pouches. This flexibility is essential, especially if you're working with a variety of materials. Whether you're laminating a delicate photo or a thicker document, the Fellows Halo 125 can handle it all with ease. Another convenient feature is the release lever on the machine, which allows for easy pouch recentering or removal. This is particularly useful if you make a mistake when placing your document in the pouch. Instead of wasting a pouch, you can simply adjust the position and continue laminating without any hassle. So, who is the Fellows Halo 125 suitable for? This laminator is ideal for students, parents, teachers, and small business owners. If you're someone who frequently prints out documents for school projects, creates art for your children, or needs to laminate important business materials, this product will serve you well. It's also great for crafters who want to add a professional touch to their projects by preserving their work in a durable, laminated form. Let's talk about some practical use cases. For students, the Halo 125 can be a game changer for preserving important class materials, like study guides or project sheets. Parents can use it to laminate artwork created by their children, ensuring that those cherished masterpieces are protected for years to come. Teachers can find it incredibly useful for laminating educational materials, ensuring they last throughout the school year. Small businesses can also benefit by laminating promotional materials, name tags, or even packaging samples. In summary, the Fellows Halo 125 Laminator with Pouch Starter Kit is a fantastic tool for anyone in need of a reliable and efficient laminating solution. With its fast warm-up time, versatility for different pouch thicknesses, and convenient features, it's designed to meet the demands of personal and small business use. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.